Your next question is: which animal's meat is mixed in chewing? These are your options. A. Snake. B. Dog. C. Cow. D. Pig. The correct answer is D. Pig. Your next question is: which fruit is eaten the most in India? These are your options. A. Banana. B. Apple. C. Mango. D. Pomegranate. The correct answer is C. Mango. Your next question is: in which country there are more goats than humans? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Russia. D. New Zealand. The correct answer is D. New Zealand. Your next question is: which bird sees everything blue? These are your options. A. Peacock. B. Swan. C. Owl. D. Eagle. The correct answer is C. Owl. Your next question is: which part of a human being continues to grow even after death? These are your options. A. Hair. B. Nails. C. Brain. D. Bones. The correct answer is B. Nails. Your next question is: in which state of India is there a floating post office? These are your options. A. Kerala. B. Maharashtra. C. Kashmir. D. Meghalaya. The correct answer is C. Kashmir.